Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share one special project with you which I just finalized. Basically this is a pendulum which can run for several hours without any observable mechanics or electronics, and it does not generate any noise. For an outside spectator it just looks like a Perpetuum Mobile. Some first thoughts. My first thoughts were around the mechanical construction. According to physics, for a pendulum with a length of 1 meter, the duration of one full swing, called the period, would be approximately 2 seconds. This sounded reasonable for me, and I finished the mechanical setup and took some measurements. Indeed, the period was 1.79 seconds, a little less than expected, but still good enough. First prototype. I started with a simple electronic switch which was laying around for some time from a prior project. This switch was powered by a 9-volt battery and would simply switch on and off a relay continuously over time. The duty cycle could be modified and also the duration of the period. This switch was used to activate or deactivate an electric magnet hidden under the pendulum. However, it turned out that the noise of the relay could be clearly identified from the outside, but also the synchronization failed after some time and the pendulum finally stopped swinging. Second prototype. I then realized that a simple forward on-off electronic switch cannot do the job properly. A feedback loop should be introduced to avoid synchronization problems. In this approach, I redeployed my old Raspberry Pi computer and also purchased a magnetic reed contact to be used as a sensor. As a result, the stability improved dramatically and the pendulum would continuously swing for a few hours. Unfortunately, after extensive testing, the reed contact broke down completely due to the high mechanical stress it had to deal with. The third prototype. So again, time has come to try something new. I needed some other solution and learned about the Hall effect. By use of a Hall sensor, a magnetic field can be detected without the need of any mechanics. For this approach, I also wanted to utilize a more modern electronic device and purchased a new Raspberry Pi Pico board, which is available for very little money. The Pico board has some built-in ADCs, analog digital converters, which can be directly connected to an analog sensor. This sounded like a very reasonable approach, and indeed, after many hours of work and final testing, I can now confirm that it works perfectly and is running for more than 50 hours. So let me stop here and not go into further details. If you're interested, I can still set up another video. Let me know in your comments. So for now, let's enjoy the pendulum as it works today. Have a good time. Bye-bye. Alright, so let's give it a try. Start the pendulum and see how it runs. So here we go. It's over here. Okay. And now start.